All right, you're in home stretch now. Let's do a review of melodic minor and modes. So melodic minor is root, major second, flat 3, 4th, 5th, 6, 7, and then a root again. So if we are talking about A melodic minor, so A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. All right. So let's do the review of alto scale. For example, G alto scale. To find a parent scale, just go up a half step and play melodic minor. So in this case, it's going to be A flat melodic minor. It is the seventh mode of melodic minor. Melodic minor. So the special formula for alto scale is a G7 shell. So that's going to be root, third and flat 7 plus a sharp flat 5 and a sharp flat 9. So it's sharp 5, sharp 9, flat 9. All right. We usually use this scale over a 5 chord. Okay, so 5 dominant 7 chord is a chord that you would use this scale over. Even if the chord doesn't have the tensions, the alto tensions, you can still do it. But it depends on the style, mostly in jazz. Okay, G leading dominant or leading flat 7. So it is the fourth mode of melodic minor. To find the parent scale, you go up a fifth, so G, A, B, C, D, perfect fifth. And the parent scale would be D melodic minor. A few important tones here. So sharp 4, major third, flat 7. So basically, Lydian means sharp 4, and dominant means major third and flat 7 there. So we usually use this scale over non-resolving dominant 7 chord. So again, for example, D7 going into D minor 7. So the D7 here is non-resolving because the root doesn't go up a 4th or go down a 5th. All right. Finally, Locrian natural 2 scale. Okay, so it is the 6th mode of melodic minor. And to find a parent scale, you go up 1.5 step. So 1.5 whole step there, and that should give you B flat melodic minor, and it has a good alternate name, which is a natural minor flat 5. They're exactly the same thing. So G natural minor flat 5 is this would have the same exact notes as G Locrian natural 2. All right. So we use it mostly for scale runs. We can use it over a 2 minor 7 flat 5 chord. So we can play B Locrian natural 2 over B minor 7 flat 5. So the natural 2 degree here, so in this case, B, C sharp, is not diatonic to the key. So say B minor 7 flat 5, and then the E7, and then A minor 7. So A minor would be the key here. So we obviously do not have C sharp in A minor. But over this chord, it's fine for a while over this chord because it would make the chord here sound a little bit brighter because of the natural 2 here. Okay, it's a step above the root. And we can also use this over a resolving dominant. So for example, G7 flat 9 going into C minor, you can play F Locrian natural 2. So you go down a whole step and play F Locrian natural 2 scale. Another use is you can use it over Lydian dominant 7th chord. So for example, G7 sharp 11. You go up a third, major third, and that's B Locrian natural 2. All right, cool. So that's the review for melodic minor and modes.